Guys, I've bought this new F124 game Champions Edition for one and only reason: early access. And instead of playing it right now, I have to solve one big problem: black screen. Yeah, it doesn't work in full screen. It just kicks you out. If you're watching this video, welcome to the club.
Welcome to the club, buddy.
But not to worry, I will give you several options how to solve this problem once and for all. So, instead of hitting your computer, hit that subscribe button and like this video to help me out as well. And let's cut straight to the chase. There's lots of things that could cause you a problem. So do these steps one by one in order and check if the game works after each of them. Number 1, drivers and updates. The one that checks out easier than the others. To fix this, tap the start button, search for device manager, then find display adapters and find there your GPU. Right click on it, update driver, search automatically for drivers. Now ours are installed. If yours is not, please do so. If not, if everything is good here, there goes the next step: Windows Update. You just basically go to settings, Windows Update, and check for updates. If there's anything you have to update, do that and restart your computer. Then check the game. If that didn't solve the problem, there's a solution number 2. DirectX and Visual C++. For this one, you simply Google DirectX and the first link is the one you need. Get there, select your language and download. Do the same steps with Visual C++. The first link is the one you need, and you will have to choose between these two versions for 86 and 64 systems. Now, once you download everything, install it and restart your computer. If it didn't help, there goes an option number 3, Steam settings. To make sure the apps are set properly, go to Steam, click on Library, and choose the game you need. In this case, F124. Now, in general here, I suggest you to disable the Steam overlay while in game and click on Install Files, verify integrity of game files. This may take some time, but that might be the cause of our problem as well. When it's done, restart Steam and try to run F124 again. If it's still not it, number 4, command prompt. What you have to do here is you click on the start button and type in CMD. There's a command prompt, run as administrator. Click yes and type in SFC /scan now. Enter. This process will take some time, and although this is rarely the solution, sometimes it comes in handy. If you have done all of that, but the game is still not it, there might be a solution we've been looking for all this time, and me personally, I'd be mad if that helped me out. I forgot about the one where it actually helped me out with FC24 back in the days. So, number 5, simply cut off your controller, gamepad, or the wheelbase, including pedals, shifter, and anything else you have. And I mean unplug it, because turning it off won't help. When it's all off, simply try to run it with your mouse and keyboard. And blame it on EA for their engineering team if that's your case. Now, say none of that has helped you out, and this was exactly one of my friend's story. Then you go for the good old number 6, reinstall. Exactly, uninstall your current version and download the new one. I know, yeah, it'll take you some time, but it resolved my friend's problem. Maybe it will resolve yours as well. So guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, like the video yet, please do so. I'll appreciate a lot. Thank you for your time and see you on the track.